Hello everyone, welcome to Edufy India. I request you all to kindly subscribe the channel and click on bell icon to get notified about new videos. Hi, I'm Himanshi Sharma. I hope all of you are doing good and safe at your home. Today we will see third part of this interesting story by Rabindranath Tagore, My Silly Sister. This story is given in class 3 English book Marigold. In this video, we will see question answers and complete NCERT exercise. For chapters reading and its explanation in Hindi and English, word meanings and sentence formation, you can find the link in the description. Don't forget to see its part 1 and 2 as well. Now let's start today's video. Let's discuss question answers first. Question number 1 is, what does the baby do with the pebbles? Answer is, the baby thinks that the pebbles are real food and she even tries to put them into her mouth. Question number 2 is, what does the baby do with the book? Answer is, the baby tears the pages of the book with her hands and roars with joy at nothing. Question number 3 is, when does the baby laugh? Answer is, the baby laughs and thinks it great fun when her brother scolds her. Question number 4 is, why does the washerman bring donkeys? Answer is, the washerman brings donkeys to carry away the dirty clothes on their backs. Now it's talk time. Question number 1 is, what is the funniest thing the baby does? Answer is, the baby laughs at her brother whenever he is in anger and scolds her. Question number 2 is, do you think the baby sister is really silly? And why? Answer is, the baby is not silly in reality. She is very small and too young to judge between right and wrong things. Now it's word building exercise time. Question number 1 is, filling the blanks to spell words from the story. Friends, here some words are given with missing letters. We have already read about these words in the story. So we have to fill in the blanks with correct letters to make them meaningful words. First one is SI-Y. So if we will fill the blanks with double L, then it will become silly. Second one is PE-L-S. Now we will fill it with double B and E and it will become pebbles. PEBBLES, pebbles. Next one is STR-ETS. We will add E here and it will become streets. Next one is S-OLD. Now we will add C here and it will become scold. Next one is LE-ONS. We will fill it with double S and it will become lessons. N-U-HTY. We will fill it with A and G and it will become naughty. EXC-T-M-NT. So we will fill it with I-E-E and it will become excitement. And the last one is D-NK-Y and we will fill it with O and E and it will become donkey. Question number 2 is, write similar words from the story. Here some words are given to us. We have to find out the words from the story which means the same as given here. First one is foolish. The word in the story is silly, which means foolish. That we have already done in word meanings of this lesson. You can find the link of that video in the description box. Second word is stones. Answer is pebbles. Next word is mischievous. It means naughty. Next word is fetch. Its meaning is bring. Question number 3 is filling the blanks with words from the box. Here is the help box. Let's read the sentences one by one and fill in the blanks by taking help from the given words in the box. The dash are playing in the field, dash are happy. So the answer will be the children are playing in the field, they are happy. Next sentence is dash are playing catch me if you can. Answer will be they are playing catch me if you can. And the last one is the dash has rung, it is time for lessons. Answer is bell. The bell has rung, it is time for lessons. Question number 4 is filling the blanks. Friends, this exercise is about singular and plural nouns. Singular means only one and plural means more than one, many in number. So let's fill in the blanks with plural nouns. One child, many children. One fox, many foxes. One duck, many ducks. One goose, many geese. Question number 5 is add full to make a word. Here, FUL full is a suffix. A suffix is a letter or group of letters added to the end of a word to make another word. Friends, the suffix full can form nouns or adjectives. Let's see how. A. The children are dash. We have to use the word play. So the answer will be the children are playful. B. The flowers are dash. We have to use the word beauty. So the answer will be the flowers are beautiful. C. The books are dash. We have to use the word use. So answer will be the books are useful. D. The vegetables are dash. And the word we have to use is plenty. So the answer will be the vegetables are plentiful. Question number 6 is add ly to make a word. Now here suffix is ly. The suffix ly is often added to adjectives and nouns to form adverbs and adjectives. Let's see how. A. The new shoes are dash and the word we have to use is love. So the answer will be the new shoes are lovely. B. He is dash smart and the word we have to use is real. So the answer will be he is really smart. C. We should eat dash and the word we have to use is slow. So the answer will be we should eat slowly. D. Let us sing dash and the word we have to use is soft. The answer will be let us sing softly. Question number 7 is add ish to make a new word. Now here suffix is ish. Ish can mean it's like or has the quality of. Now let's see the questions. A. That girl is always crying. She is dash. And the word we have to use is child. So the answer will be that girl is always crying. She is childish. B. I slipped on a banana peel. I feel dash. And the word we have to use is fool. So the answer will be I slipped on a banana peel. I feel foolish. C. My sister is dash. And the word we have to use is baby. So the answer will be my sister is babyish. Now let's write. Question is write 5 sentences on how you help at home. So friends, we should always help our family members in their work as they also help us in many ways. Here you can write your own ways to help your busy mother and other family members around the house. Here are some points. First, I help mother in cutting vegetables. I help father in watering the plants. I also help my brother in arranging his books. I also help my sister with cleaning her room. I do try to help everyone with small things in the house. Friends, I hope you have enjoyed the video. At the end, I want to say that brother and sister together as friends, ready to face whatever life sends. If you find this video helpful, then please like, comment and share. And don't forget to subscribe the channel to get notified about the new videos. Thank you everyone for your love and appreciation. Keep supporting us.